Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we will explain about sensing users' emotional intelligence in social networks. Introduction. The modern era is defined by the widespread use of social networking sites as platform for individuals to express their thoughts and emotions. Sentiment algorithms are often used to detect whether a user post is positive or negative or neutral in order to evaluate and comprehend their feelings. Existing approaches, however, frequently fall short of capturing emotional intelligence, which goes beyond mere sentiment analysis. The detection of complex emotional states such as despair, mood swings, emotional volatility, and the impact of social relationships on the individual emotions is part of emotional intelligence. Objective. The project's goal is to detect users' emotional intelligence on social networks by utilizing sentiment analysis and four dimensions, which are self-awareness, self-regulation, self-motivation, and social relationship. It computes sentiment values, mood swings, and depression inclinations by analyzing Twitter data. The goal is to go beyond typical sentiment analysis and gain better understanding of emotional states, fluctuations, and social influence. Emotion occurrence and four-dimensional EI graphs, for example, which provide insights into the user's emotion. Clustering users based on EI profiles improve comprehension. The projects aim to improve sentiment analysis by adding emotional intelligence, allowing for a better understanding of users' emotion and behavior on social media. These are the requirements for execution of the project. In hardware requirements, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above are needed. In software requirements, Python IDE of 3.7 version is needed. These are the design modules and methodology for execution of the project. First one is upload Twitter dataset. In this module, the project involves loading the Twitter dataset, which is stored in JSON format, into the project environment. Next one is tweet analysis. Uploading upon the Twitter dataset, the project engages in a comprehensive analysis of each user's tweet. This includes extracting various details such as username, number of followers, tweet text, and etc. Third module is calculate EI 4 dimensions. Building on the sentiment analysis, this module calculates the 4 dimensions of emotional intelligence for each user based on their tweet sentiments. First one is self-awareness. In that, the sensitivity of positive words is assessed to determine user self-awareness. Second one is self-regulation. The ratio of positive to negative sentiment words reveals the user's self-recognition, regulation, indicating mood swings. Third one is self-motivation. Derived from self-regulation, this metric identifies user in a potential depressed state. Fourth one is social relationship. The user's social influence is quantified based on followers, retweets, and mood swings. The fourth module is emotion occurrence graph. This module generates a graph that visually represents the frequency of different emotion types, which are positive, negative, and neutral. Fifth module is emotion 4-dimension EI graph. Building on the calculated EI dimensions, this module creates a graph where x-axis represents the user ID and y-axis displays values for each of the 4 EI dimensions, which are self-awareness, self-regulation, self-motivation, and social relationship. The last module, which is GMM clustering. The GMM clustering is Gaussian mixed algorithm clustering, is used to group users based on their values in 4 emotional intelligent dimensions. Users with similar emotional patterns are clustered together in this module. The Gaussian mixture model, which is GMM clustering algorithm, is applied to the user's EI dimension values. The algorithm groups users into clusters based on their similar EI dimension patterns, helping to identify common emotional profiles among the users. For execution of the project, first open the code folder. This is the code folder of the project, and this is the dataset file. And these are the tweets of the data. And this is the Python main code file. And this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project in command line interface, we have created Windows batch file for execution. So double click on it for execution. This is the graphical user interface of the project. With this, we can interact with the program. And this is created by using Tkinter library in the Python. So first click on the button Upload Twitter dataset to upload the data. Select the tweets data and click on Select Folder. Here it is confirmed that tweets are loaded. Now click on Tweets Analysis button to extract all details from tweets such as username, followers, tweets, text, etc. Here, for each user, we extracted all details. By scrolling down, we can see for other user details also. Now click on Calculate EI 4 Dimensions button. Here, we can see positive rate, negative rate, neutral, and compound. So, by calculating all this, the person's sentiment will be resulted. So, for this person, it is resulted as negative. Similarly, it will also calculate for other persons also. Now click on Emotion Occurrence Graph. Here on x-axis we can see the type of emotions, and on y-axis we can see the count of emotions. Among all the three emotions, negative emotions are high. Now click on Emotion 4-dimension EI graph. Here on x-axis we have the user ID, and on y-axis we have the true ranking. Here, purple line indicates the awareness and green line indicates the motivation, blue regulation, orange social relationship. Close this graph. Now click on GMM clustering. Here in graph we can see all circles with the same color is one cluster, and it contains 4 different colors for 4 different dimensions. Close this graph. Close this GUI. Conclusion. To assess users' emotional intelligence in social networks, this project blends sentiment analysis with 4 different dimensions, which are self-awareness, self-regulation, self-motivation, and social relationship. The project detects emotional states, mood swings, depressive inclinations, and social impact by analyzing Twitter data. Traditional sentiment analysis is enriched with emotional intelligence, which provides a deeper knowledge of user emotions and behaviors. The visualization in the project, such as emotion occurrence and 4-dimensional EI graph, provide useful insights into the user's emotional experience. Clustering peoples based on EI profiles improve our ability to comprehend and respond to emotions expressed by users on social networking sites.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.